Hi everyone, I'm Mayra Moreno. Today we're cooking with ABC13 in the Goya kitchen, and today I'm making Paleo Apple Crisp. So what you're gonna love about this is instead of using regular flour, you're gonna use almond flour, which is better for you, gives you more energy, makes you feel good, and there is no sugar in this, absolutely. So of course it's gonna be good for you. This is a healthier version of an apple pie. So let's get started. What you're gonna need is some apples. So these are about 3 apples that I have here. They have been peeled slightly, cored, and chopped. So after that, you grab your lemon juice and you pour that on top of your apples. This gives them a tarty but sweet taste, and it also keeps them from turning brown. Mix that well. Okay, put that to the side. Next, you're gonna grab another bowl. You're gonna mix your main ingredients, what you're gonna crumble on top of it. So you take your almond flour, put it in the bowl. Make sure you distribute it nicely. You grab your coconut oil. You wanna make sure that you melt it. You drizzle it on top. This is gonna make a nice crumble for your Paleo Crisp. You grab your vanilla. You only use about half of it because you're gonna use the rest of it to pour on top. Grab your nutmeg. You're gonna grab your pecans. And then you grab your cinnamon. I love using the Goya cinnamon, very rich in flavor. And then you just start to mix. We're gonna put the apples in here. Just make sure they're distributed throughout the pan. It's great. And then you grab your topping. All right. Add the rest of your vanilla extract on top. Just drizzle it on top. And I like to sprinkle more Goya cinnamon. We're gonna cover it up, put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and then you open it, leave it in the oven for another 10 minutes, and it should be good to go. Let's give it a taste. So warm. Definitely need ice cream. Hope you like it.